time to unbox some minis. Like I said, I had previously gotten the wrong balls to get the Britney ones I was looking for, so I got the right ones this time. So let's see what we can get. So hopefully this time we get at least one Britney. I have 3 different balls here with me. I would attempt to juggle them if I knew how to juggle. However, I don't know how to do that. So for the safety of myself, Mr. Freddy, that's my dog if you guys don't know, and everyone involved, oh there he is, look, there's Mr. Freddy. I am not going to even attempt to juggle these balls. I am, however, having a difficult time as always opening them. Ooh, it sounds so nice. I like it. The crunch. Very satisfactory. I enjoy that. Okay, now we gotta open up this part. Damn. Maybe this might be easy. Oh, I think we... Oh, nope. Still a little difficult. Let's unwrap it. Why do... Man, they make these things so difficult. Maximum security balls. Silly. Alright. I'm almost like, you guys can't smell through here. Oh my god, how cute! Oh, it's got a little crate to put them in. This is adorable. I'm in love already. Ah, so cute. Okay, this instructions, I guess. And then this, I think, is so you can put whatever. It's like a little vinyl cover, and you can chain it on your keychain or on your bag or whatever. That's cool. I like that idea a lot. All right, let's see. Now this time we got the right ones I was looking for, because we see 1 Britney, 2 Britney, 3 Britneys. So hopefully over the span of 3 different ball openings that I currently have, I don't know if I'll fit them all into this one video, but hopefully I get all 3 Britneys. I'll be so happy. It's crunchy. I would chew on this paper, but it's probably full of chemicals. I got the Britney! I got a Britney! Look, I got a Britney! You got, oh my god, Mr. Freddy, look. Mama got a Britney. Look at, Mama got a Britney. Yes! It's Britney, a little baby one more time. You drive me crazy. Hell MF and yeah. I almost cursed and I forgot that social media tends to not like me cursing. This is so wow. I'm sorry, I'm really happy. This is really cool. So cool. Oh my god. Okay. Let's put that in the crate. Little crate. Yes. Okay. So we're already winning. And then we got Amy Winehouse, Back to Black. I actually like that song. So that's pretty cool. We'll put her in the crate too. And then what else? Another Britney, maybe? Maybe Britney one more time? No, but we do have Blink-182 with the cover featuring another very legendary lady from my industry, Miss Janine. So that's really cool. Like, yeah, I know my history. I did my research before I got into the industry that I was in. So yeah, but that's really cool. I always like to see people in my industry when they do crossover to mainstream stuff. It's really cool. And we got Bob Marley. 3 Little Birds. Oh, I like that song too. Oh, that's adorable. Put that in my little crate. All right. I'm gonna open this other one now. Okay, can we get another Britney? Can we get another Britney? Let's get it. Let's get it. Maybe. Maybe. Man, I'm gonna cut and open this because I'm sure y'all don't want to see me wasting another 10 minutes opening this thing. All right, so I pre-opened my balls. I got the plastic wrap off of them. Quite a task, but now we can open them with ease. And hopefully we get more Britneys. Oh, they all come with crates. Look, I got the blue crate. I like the blue crate. We're gonna put Britney in the blue crate. Blue crates for Britney. Unless if I get a pink one. If I get a pink one, then I guess we'll put Britney in the pink one. So let's see what we got. Is it Britney? Is it Britney? Is it Britney? No, but oh, we got Public Enemy. Hell MFN. Yes. Rebel Without a Pause. That is so cool. I love that they incorporated some classic rap into this. Because, you know, I don't know. I feel like classic rap doesn't get enough love these days. Maybe I'm just old, so I like classic rap. We got Imagine Dragons. That's cool. Believer. It's cool. It's an alright song. Like, I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite. Okay. What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, we got another Bob Marley. Uprising. Oh, Bob Marley. Could You Be Loved? That's cute. We like that. I like that song too. Put that in the crate. And then got some Def Leppard, Pyromania, Rock of Ages. That's cool. I mean, I'm sure I know the song. I can't think of it on the top of my head, but I probably know what it is, but I don't know. Like, I think the only Def Leppard I know by, like, immediate sound is Pour Some Sugar on Me. Because who doesn't know that one? But the rest, I'm not sure. Oh my god, I spoke it into fruition. We got a pink one. So now we gotta take Britney. Put her in the pink one. Cute. Oh my god, they match my hair now. Pink and blue. So cool. Those are my favorite colors, besides glitter. And glitter is a color. You can't tell me that it's not. I mean, you can. I just won't believe you. Alright. Britney, Britney, Britney. Are we getting another Britney? Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Got another Amy Winehouse. Valerie. I don't know that song, but that's cool. Put that there. The Beach Boys. Barbara Ann. I know that song. I don't necessarily like it. Maybe when I'm drinking and like I start thinking of random songs, but it's not something I'm like, let me put on the Beach Boys. Alright. Last chance for Britney in this little trio of balls that I purchased. Britney, Britney. No. Well, I mean, technically we did get another Britney, but it's the same Britney that I have and the same Blink-182 that I got in the other ball. But I got a Britney. That makes me happy. I still need to find the pink version of the Baby One More Time and the Oops, I Did It Again. So definitely stay tuned because I will continue my search. But I'm happy. I got a Britney. Yay! Alright, talk to you later. Bye!